SafanDarley front support arms provide essential support for handling large or flexible sheet metal, ensuring precision and ease of use during the bending process. Our front support arms are designed for stability and flexibility, reducing manual effort while improving accuracy during bending operations. The range begins with a standard setup, consisting of 2 fixed aluminum support arms. For greater flexibility, you can opt for 2 support arms that are movable along the length of the machine, or expand the setup with an additional 3rd arm. For added precision, SafanDarley offers movable support arms with height adjustment via hand wheel, allowing for accurate manual positioning. For maximum ease of use, the movable arms with pneumatic height adjustment can be pre-programmed at 2 heights, allowing easy switching between tool height and the flattening tool. All of these configurations, except the standard version, are available in both aluminum and stainless steel, depending on your production environment and application requirements. And finally, for the highest level of performance and integration, SafanDarley offers the advanced front support arm system used for the high brake, combining multiple features into one intelligent solution. The modular design allows for different support inserts, which can be quickly and easily swapped to suit various applications. Designed for operator convenience, these support arms enhance material handling, improve precision, and increase overall efficiency, especially when working with large or thin sheets. Upgrade your SafanDarley press brake with front support arms for maximum flexibility, precision, and ease of operation.